We're going to do a video on NIO stock analysis. We've got a daily chart here of NIO, and we can see that NIO is still in a bear market. It's behaving very interestingly, and a lot of things are going on with it. We can see that we have a 200-day moving average in blue, a 20-day moving average in red, and we can see that the 5-day moving average in green is right at where the 20-day is, and the price is oscillating around both of them. You can see it's been doing that for about the past week, right here around this $10.60 level. It's extremely interesting with what's going on with NIO. We have a bottom put in NIO on the 24th of October at around $8.38, and they've been fighting it ever since. They're trying to make a determination of whether they're going to rally this stock. You can see it put in some false rallies here above the 20-day moving average, fell below it, but caught support right here. This higher bottom, and then this lowest bottom on the 24th. This is all good sign. So what we need to do to get the stock up out of its trough is get it above this point right here, this $12.38. We need to get it above this 12, 13, 14, somewhere around in here this week. If we can get it up in there this week or early next week, then this stock may have a chance to begin to climb out of its hole. It's been in this hole all the way back since November of 21, and it's got a chance to get out. You can see this was tremendous liquidation all through here, just consistent, almost no significant rallies all the way through for probably, what is that, more than a month, for a month and a half. So if you're going to sell this stock, you pretty much have sold this stock. I'm not saying it couldn't go lower, but there's been a lot of just consistent dumping of this stock, and now you're getting a battle of bulls through here. Especially this buying a higher bottom, buying another higher bottom. That's people coming in here trying to say, hey, I think this stock is as low as it's going to go. And this is usually, not always, but usually smart money. So if we can get this stock to where the green is above the red, the 5's above the 20, and price is above both of those, then this stock has a chance to rally up to the $14, $15 level here in the next couple of weeks. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see what's going on. I suspect it's actually it's not a disaster. This is the 200-week moving average. You can see it's flat. This is the 5-week, the 20-week moving average, and you can see that it closed almost right on the 5-week moving average. So it is still holding its lows. You put in 1, 2, 3 weeks of good. These last 2 weeks have had higher lows than the previous. That's the first time it's happened in a long time. So it's all good news there. But we need to get this price and this green 5-week above the 20-week, and that's a long distance away. This is $17, and right here, this price closed at around $11.50. So we need to get this 5-week turn back up, and that's going to take a couple weeks to do that at a minimum, maybe 4 weeks. But we need to get this 5-week moving average coming back up, price above it, and then challenge this 20-week. So we're nowhere near out of the woods yet, but we're talking from percentage perspective, we're talking about quite a bit, but we're not talking about a lot in terms of dollar amount of movement. Let's check the hourly chart. We can see that this is the blue 200-hour moving average. It's been below that since the 21st of September, which is a very long time now. Almost we're coming up on 2 months, and it has not broken through it yet. That's a really, really long time. This is extremely negative. As soon as they got close to it, they sold the heck out of it. This down here is just desperation selling. But the interesting point is this is $9.04, and somebody came in and started buying at $9.24. So, and they bought the heck out of it. You can see this gap. So very interesting what's going on in NIO. It looks to me like it might be putting in a bottom. We need to see this price firmly get above here. I just keep saying it over and over again, we need to get this price up to $14. I realize that's a big move for this stock from a percentage perspective, but to get it out of its bear market, that's what we're going to need to see. Just seeing it around here, $12, $12.50, that's not going to show me anything. It's better than nothing, but it's not showing me a whole lot. To get the stock back in bull market territory, we need to get it up here to 14 in the next couple of weeks, and we'll see what happens with that. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about NIO. We should have it right up here somewhere. Let's see here. I think it's right here. From Monday the 14th, we've got no entry prices on NIO. The algorithm saying, hey, it's nothing good going on there, and not necessarily anything bad, but no buy prices for NIO. Let's go down and take a look at the 30-day trend following system, see if NIO's got anything on here. NIO's right here, and it's got shorted NIO. Isn't that interesting? At $11.69. So this is for a 30-day hold, all for entertainment purposes only. Trade at your own risk, have to do your own analysis. Can't use our information for anything other than entertainment. But for the 14th of November on a 30-day hold, which basically means 30 trading days, get in Monday if your own analysis says it's a good idea, and get out at the end of 30 days at a loss, or take your profits soon if you can get them. It's calling for a short on NIO at $11.69. Let's see what that looks like on a daily chart. 1169 on a daily chart. is the high. So it's saying if it gets to its high, it's a short, which is really interesting. So that's what we've got for you for entertainment purposes only. Everything I say is my opinion, and for entertainment purposes only. Everything you see on here is for entertainment. You can't use it for anything else. But that's what we've got for you. You can get access to our algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Free trial over there, no credit card required. 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, the most liquid futures contracts. Crypto's been suspended for the near term, and again, all for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a ticker symbol you want us to take a look at, please leave it in the comment section below, and if it's a good one, we will consider doing a video on it.